Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install a roof rack on Volvo XC40 2018. Stay with me to the end of the video. Parts for this job is Yakima HD legs, K946 fitting kit, and Yakima roof rack crossbar 1200mm. Alright, first of all you need to unlock the key, take the cap off. All you need to do is follow the instruction. You have to push this part, you don't need that one. There is a pin on the sides here, you can take this pin off. You don't need that one as well, but just take it off. So then this part will be removed. What you see from the leg, just make it loose this bolt. And then all you need to do is find the right side to put it on. So see the number here, 0004354. Go back to instruction. As you see in the instruction, front left, that goes front left of the car. So you do remember this one goes front left. All you need to do is see the clamp, see how the clamp is. When you tighten this screw, clamp will be. All you need to do is loose this one up with the tools inside the box all the way till you can see there is an area that you can put your tools in to twist this. Why you need this? That one goes to here. So it sits like this. Let's check properly. Then push. Right, see it's going down. Then put your bolt, start tightening it. As you tighten, alright, that's fully tight, that's it. Then all you need to do, put this on the side here, same thing, tight, nice. Another one goes to the other side. Right, this is ready now. All we need to do, you have to do the same process for the other three. In this case, you put this one on the side, go for next one. Same process, unlock. Same process, push this in, take this pin off. Keep this pin as a spare for next job. Lose this bolt. I can tell you later why you have to do this. Alright, that's ready. Then come to your leg. If you remember, we have to lose this one all the way in to access that area that you can access to that screw on the top. Now, as you remember, line up this bolt with this hole. Then push it in. As you tighten that hole, the side gaps will be closed. And closing the side. Done. Side gap closed. Remember next process. Grab one of these screws. That's self screws. Tighten. Next one. Tighten. There you go. And the second leg is ready. Get the key from the cover, side cover, and the other one. Take the legs off. If you remember, push this or tap it. That will come off. This one also no need, so we keep on the side and come to this one. If you remember, open this screw all the way. When you're opening the clamp, it will give you access for the top screw. Adjust it at the top, that's it. And then push. As you see, the side gap will be closed as I'm tightening the top screw. That's it. Loose this bolt. This needs to be loose to give you access for putting the bar. So the third one is ready. Get a key, open the side cap, keep it on the side for the last. Push, pin off. You don't need this. Make this one loose. You should be able to push it in. Has to play up. Put this one on the side. Come to this fitting kit. Open it up. All the way you can go access. That's perfect, I can access that one. Adjust it. And push it in. Start tightening it. Okay, you get your legs ready. Now it's time to go start working on the bars. There's 2 screws here on each side. You need to open this. Hex screw T25. That's the size. This is how you open the side cap from the bars. These are very important when you open this side cap. Please put them back again. We need them later on. Then you come to the other side and put it back to the same location. That's what I'm always doing, to not drop it, because if you drop it, it's hard to find. Bar, turn, get this rubber off. We need this rubber also. Take this rubber, slide them off. Put them on the side. First bar ready. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 side cap. Twist. Make sure there is an arrow here, point forward. So it means that's correct, and this goes to the front left of the car. If you remember, we lose this later. That's why you have to slide this one in, adjust the top, and push it. That's perfect. Now we have to find front right, which is 355. 355, front right. Lose a little bit more, push. So front left, front right. Adjust the X point, that's it. So point forward, that's it. Point forward, rear left. 354, rear left. 355, rear right. You can go to the car, see how's the measurement is working or not. That was perfectly works. It's perfect. Check the other side. It's perfect. All right, point forward. After you set up everything, it's time to put them on the roof. Then when you put them on the roof, it's time to do the measurement. You need to have a correct distance, as the instruction says, 700 millimeter between 2 bars. So I'm adjusting between 2 doors. You see the doors line between 2 doors, and 700 from center to center. Make sure the other side is also 700 millimeter, center to center. So it's time to tighten the clamps. So as you tighten, it's time to put the side caps of the bars. Put the screw on the top and start tightening all the 4 side caps. So now you need to have the same distance on both sides. Same distance, 130. 130, 130. Now you need the rubbers. Get the side cutter and grab your rubber. Rubber are sitting here underneath. You can slide it in, then cut this area. Same process to here. So you can slide the rubber in, push it back, then cut it here from here. So cut this one up. Push. It should fit in here. Right, and the last part is the And on the side, lock, left side, left, face up, lock,